Today, we've got some exciting leaks and rumors about Huawei's upcoming flagship, the Huawei Mate 70 series. This could be one of the most highly anticipated phones of the year, and we're here to break down everything we know so far. Recently, most of the attention has been on Huawei's trifold Mate XD, but that's not all Huawei has in store for us this year. The company has another big launch plan, and that's for the Mate 70 line, which will hit the market in the fourth quarter. Traditionally, Huawei has released two major flagship series each year. In the first or early second quarter, we usually see the P series, which is focused on photography. This year, Huawei changed things up and launched the Pura 70 line. Now, the spotlight is shifting toward the Mate series, known for bringing innovation to the table. Last year's Mate 60 series took everyone by surprise. It featured Huawei's first self-designed processor, the Kirin 9000s, built on a 7nm process. This was a major comeback after being hit hard by US sanctions, which restricted Huawei from accessing 5G chips. But Huawei found a workaround by using China's SMIC to produce the chips. So what's new with the Mate 70 series? Well, we've got some exciting leaks that suggest we'll see even more innovation this time around. Let's start with the display. According to one of the most reliable leakers on China's Weibo platform, Digital Chat Station, the Mate 70 will feature a quad-curve display. While the exact screen size hasn't been revealed, we do know that it'll be larger than the Pura 70 series. The quad-curve display suggests a premium design that will rival flagship phones from competitors like Samsung and Apple. If you've seen the Mate 60 in person, you know Huawei doesn't compromise on build quality or aesthetics, and the Mate 70 looks set to continue that tradition. Now, onto security. Another exciting detail is that the Mate 70 is rumored to feature a 3D facial recognition system similar to Apple's Face ID. This could make unlocking your phone faster and more secure than ever. Plus, there are whispers that Huawei might move the fingerprint sensor from under the display to the power button, offering an alternative method of unlocking the device. Huawei is expected to change things up on the design front as well. The rear panel on the Mate 70 might be made from a non-metal material, possibly leather, similar to what we saw on the Mate XD. This move would add a touch of luxury to the device, making it stand out from the usual metal and glass designs we see in most flagship phones. A game changer, as it would allow Huawei to improve the phone's energy efficiency and performance without relying on restricted US technology. According to Digital Chat Station, this new chipset will have greater energy efficiency and improved performance, which is exactly what you'd expect when moving from a 7nm to a 5nm chip. The larger transistor count should also contribute to faster speeds and better overall performance. One big question is whether the Mate 70 will support 5G. Huawei managed to bring back 5G capabilities with the Mate 60 despite the sanctions, so it's possible the Mate 70 will continue to support 5G networks. However, this will depend on whether Huawei and SMIC can successfully mass-produce the 5nm chips. So, when can we expect to see the Mate 70 in action? The launch is rumored to be in November, so we won't have to wait too long to find out if these leaks are accurate. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Huawei Mate 70 series? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.